Good afternoon, students. Hi, I bet you didn't expect to see my face today, but here we are. All right, Zoom's down for a little bit, so I'm going to make a video for you about today's lesson. First thing we need to do in our lesson is to go to Infinite Campus and check our grades. If you have a low assignment or a 0, you need to fix that, okay, today. So go back, reread the assignment, and submit it. Okay? 0s, you do not need them in your career Drew. Right? As long as you hand in an assignment at Drew and you do reasonable work, you'll earn a grade for it and you'll pass the course. But if you have a 0, there's not much we can do. If you haven't handed in anything, there's not much we can do to help you. So go back and check your 0s and fix them. Well, a lot of students have some 0s in this class, and that's not good. Okay, we want you to pass the course, but you've got to turn in the work. Okay, secondly, let's talk about the writing assignment. Okay, our writing assignment was to answer, what are you going to do after the COVID virus? Tell us 3 things you're going to do once COVID has passed. In any writing assignment, the number one thing we need to do is make sure we're answering the question. Okay, I'm not asking you what you think about the COVID virus, how tough it's been over the last 5 months. I'm not interested in that. What I want to know is 3 things you're going to do after the COVID virus passes. So one way you can make sure you're answering the question is to take part of that question and rephrase it and put it in your answer. For example, after the COVID virus finishes, I'm going to go to Six Flags. I'm going to go to the lake with my family. All right, so you want to make sure you're answering the question. Okay. Then secondly, we want to make sure we have 3 specific things we're doing and we have 3 specific paragraphs about those activities. All right, so pick one thing you want to do, the lake. I want to go to the lake with my family. And then write a whole paragraph about that, fully develop it. Answer questions like who, what, when, where, why. Who are you going to go with? Where are you going to go? Why do you like to go there? What's the water going to feel like? Are you going to go on a boat? Are you going to go fishing with your father? Give us lots of information about it. Okay, make us feel like you're right there. We're right there with you on your trip to the lake. Okay, let's see. And then don't tell us about how much fun you're having. Oh, Six Flags is great. I'm going to have so much fun. It's going to be great. No, show us how fun it's going to be. Use sensory experiences, all right? So when you're up at the top of that tower that drops down all of a sudden, how does that feel? Does your heart feel like it's going to jump out of your chest? Do you scream at the top of your lungs? All right. Do you hold on to your boyfriend or girlfriend's hand and squeeze it extra tight when you're going down the tower? Just tell us exactly what it's like. Make us feel that we're right there with you when you're having your experience. Okay. Well, that's about it for right now. Remember, 3 distinct ideas, and then at least 3 sentences for each paragraph. Indent, push in, use the tab to start each paragraph, and you'll be good to go. Also, if there's something written, if you see a blue line underneath your any of your phrases, that means you need to fix that. Okay, so right-click it, and then fix the error in there, because that's Google telling you that you've made a grammar mistake there. Okay, well, that's about it for today, students. I hope I'm able to see you, but if not, watch this video and let's get to work. Okay. So what do teachers do when Zoom's down and we're not able to communicate with you? We teach. What do you do when Zoom's down and you can't go online and we can't have a Zoom class? What do? You learn. Okay. That's our job, and let's do it. Okay. We'll see you.